Hey girls, what is going on? It is your girl Christina Chanel and welcome to another video. I'm trying to treat myself to something nice, and tonight we are going to treat ourselves to my favorite 7-step facial. So we are using all Medicube products. This video is not sponsored by Medicube, but hey Medicube. So the steamer system will be using tonight is from Badescu. I think I'm saying it right, Badescu Skincare. If I'm not saying it right, somebody correct me because I know y'all will. And of course, if you don't know, you always want to use distilled water in all of your steamers. So realistically, you only want to do these facials once a month. I know that's for me because I have combination skin. No further ado, let's get right into it. Now, I love me some MAXX wipes as y'all seen before, but whenever I'm trying to save some money, these Neutrogena wipes are almost as good as the MAXX wipes. I love them. First step is to double cleanse. The oil cleanse first, and then the zero pore foam cleanser. I'm so glad that I opted out of wearing lashes today because I would have had to take them off, and y'all know I love my lashes, and that is not something I would have wanted to do. Now again, this video is not sponsored, but I have been using Medicube since the end of January, so it's been March, April, and then all of May, and it has really cleared your girl's skin up. That's why I'm doing my facial with Medicube, okay? Next we're going with the zero pore foam cleanser. This is the point where I turn on my steamer. I'm loving how my skin looks already, okay? I really am. We are about to do our collagen jelly mask with the steamer on. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous product. I think I need to add some more water. Hold on. Actually, it has plenty. Okay, it has plenty of water in there. It holds a lot of water. So much. Probably a little bit too much product. I'll put some of that back. I love this. It feels so good. Yeah. Honey, my man is gone. I don't know if you all have been watching my deployment diaries. I have been vlogging what life is like while my man is away. So if you all want to check out those deployment diaries, please check it out in the shorts because I know you will love it. We're just gonna let it steam our face. Let it open up my pores, let it do all of that. And when I tell you that a girl needs this once a month, it is a must. It really is. It's life-changing when you realize that you can have all these spa treatments, everything that some people pay top dollar for, as long as you get the right products for your skin, it's good. You can do a facial at home. We're about to rinse our collagen jelly mask off. Your girl's skin is clear. Come on. The goal is to go barefaced this summer, girls. When I tell you that I'm going barefaced, I'm going barefaced. I'm doing everything I need to do right now to make it happen. Look at that glass skin already. Glass skin already, okay? We are about to get into this dermaplaning. I've seen a lot of girls dermaplane with their skin wet. You're really supposed to dermaplane with your skin completely dry so that the razor doesn't slip and cut you or anything like that. We dermaplanned. Yeah, it definitely feels good. With our Collagen turmeric pad. I love these pads, and I love how it came with a little grabber so you don't like grab too many of them. I recommend holding it in your hand like this so that it's easy to hold it and it won't fall on the floor. Because you would hate to be on your last Collagen turmeric pad and you're not holding it right and it flip and fall on the floor. Like, I would just die, okay? After the beginning of this year, I've really been tapping into this Medicube. Like, I know exactly what works for my skin. It was so much to purchase. It was like you didn't know which range to get, what products to buy. We were all just like, Medicube had us in a chokehold. Like, put in the comments below, like, what is your most favorite Medicube products? Because I know what mine are. So we're about to use a kojic acid and turmeric serum. And this is a beautiful serum, like. And it smells so spicy. Kind of like that ginger spice tea. Y'all know I love me some tea. Hot tea. It does give you like this little tingling sensation, but it's not like a burning sensation. It's a tingling sensation to let you know that it's working, okay? This feels so good. Like, look at the skin. Like, just, come on. So we're about to go in with our collagen jelly mask. Like, again, look how pretty that is. So I'm gonna use what was left on the top because why not? That much, like, look how much that is. That's how good this spreads, okay? You don't even need that much. We're just gonna let that soak in for a little bit because when your girl say glass skin, it's like, baby. I remember one time I was talking to my man and he was like, we were like FaceTiming or whatever, and he was like, babe, your skin is glowing, like, what are you using? He was like, you going to bed looking like a glazed donut. Like, I know, right? Hey, let me tell you, he needs to hurry up and come back home, okay? The deployment needs to hurry up and be over. Donald Trump, end this war. Please end it. Last but not least, we are TXA Niacinamide Capsule Cream because this capsule cream is good too. I actually mixed this capsule cream. When I first got it and I opened it, it looked like this capsule cream. I ended up mixing it because my nails were super long and I just kept on not getting the amount I want. So yeah, this is a capsule cream when it's not mixed. This is a capsule cream when you actually mix it up though, because I mean, like, it's real cute. It comes in cute, but I mean, I wanted mine mixed up because yeah, your girl is good, honey. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you would have did anything different in your facial, let me know what you would have done. I hope you all enjoyed this 7-step facial that we just put together, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care and peace.